ECDL Advanced Access Lesson 41 Limit to List. In the last lesson we introduced combo boxes. By default it's also possible to type a new value in a combo box, but this can be changed. So let's get back to where we were before. That is the author's database, and we were looking at the English literature form. The combo box we created is over here, and from here we can select any of the options that are available for surname. Let's create a new blank record. Click in the surname field and type Barnacle, and then press enter. Even though Barnacle is not a value on the author table, it's still accepted. OK, let's click the undo button to reverse the entry. And just to check, Barnacle was not on the list. OK, let's switch to design view and display the property sheet for the surname combo box field. And just to remind you, if the property sheet window didn't open, you should be clicking on the property sheet button over here in order to open it. Select the data tab for the property sheet and change the limit to list setting to yes. Close the property sheet and switch to datasheet view. Now let's try it again. Click on the New Record button at the bottom of the screen. Then click in the surname field and type Barnacle, and then press enter. Now the entry will not be accepted because it's not on the author table. Click OK to the message and then click Undo. Switch to Design View. Select the Surname Combo Box field and press Delete. The field is now removed. From the Design tab, click Add Existing Fields to display the field list, and drag the surname field from the list back into its original position on the form. Use Format Painter to copy the same format from the first name field. So select the first name field, then Home, Format Painter, and then click within the surname field. Let's just resize and move around the label, and then we're done. OK, let's save the form. And again, we're going to be using this database for the next exercise, so please save it so it's ready for that. And while we're talking about the next lesson will be Combo Box Option 2. OK, I look forward to seeing you then.